Good morning.
I want you to pick nutritious foods, but also think about what tastes good for you. Let's go. Hey, I don't see any organic oranges, but it's okay. I got it for you. All right. So how about we try maybe 4 oranges? 99 cents each. So let's round that up to $1.
4.
Perfect. Go ahead.
Mommy, I really love avocado.
Well, let's go get the avocado then. All right. That's good. Yeah, it's hard, but we don't want too hard. Remember, we want something that's kind of soft.
This is kind of hard.
That's not bad. Okay, let's go ahead and put it in. So we'll do 2 this week. These are $1.88 each, so let's round that up to 2. So it's $4. Plus our $4 from the oranges. So what's 4 plus 4?
8.
Yes. I know we love Cinnamon Toast Crunch. It's delicious. But maybe there's a healthier version that we can look at. Hey Valentina, look. Organic cinnamon squares. That's kind of like Cinnamon Toast Crunch. You want to try it?
Yeah.
Okay. This is $4. So now we have 4. And then we have 4 from the oranges, so that's 8. And then we have $2 from the avocados. 8 plus 2 is 10. Grab it. I put it in carefully. Okay, should we inspect it to see if there's any cracks in it? Looks good, right? Yep. This one. Very carefully. 5. Cheesy eggs with ham and sliced. There you go. Sit in there. Oh, Eddie. Oh, Gigi. Come eat your breakfast. Is it good? Say yes, I love it, Vale.
Yeah.
Eddie, you like? Yum, 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 yum. Go, Gigi. No, 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 no.